How to check your hard drive's health. Hard Disk Sentinel, HD Sentinel, is a multi-OS SSD and HDD monitoring and analysis software. Its goal is to find, test, diagnose and repair hard disk drive problems, report and display SSD and HDD health, performance degradations and failures. Go to Google. Type and Hard Disk Sentinel. Then download Hard Disk Sentinel Professional Portable. If your download does not start automatically, please click here to download the file. Hard Disk Sentinel is safe, but, regarding the reliability, it takes predictions according to the SMART parameters. There is no strong mathematical certainty that the report is correct, but this also applies to other similar software. The best way is to prevent weak sectors. When they reported, Hard Disk Sentinel can help to diagnose and repair them. Usually they can be completely repaired with Hard Disk Sentinel by using disk-surface test-reinitialize disk surface test.